Welcome guys, welcome to my beam, and today I'm going to do interview of ace photographer Avinash Govarikar और मैं यहाँ पर उनके स्टूडियो के बाहर हूँ और and we are here in his studio. Okay, Avinash, you are live here on Fame. Okay guys, so here he is. Welcome to Fame, Avinash.
Thanks.
Avinash, आज हम आपसे बात करने वाले हैं for Shahrukh Khan. I would just like to ask you, how is Shahrukh Khan as a person and as an actor? और आपने उनको इतना shoot किया है.
Shahrukh, absolutely fantastic. My only regret is that I missed Shahrukh for a long time during the beginning of my career. I started shooting with him with Om Shanti Om. Till then I had not shot. I shot him for Swades a bit, but after that I shot every film of his and a lot of commercials and all. And I think his energy is just unbelievably infectious. He is such a fantastic guy to work with in terms of his energy levels. And the halo of his stardom is so huge. When he's there in front of you, in front of the camera, I mean, you just have to do nothing as a photographer, because his stardom just takes everything away. I mean, and his involvement in every shoot is fantastic. He's a fantastic guy, and he knows it all. He's so confident. He knows every aspect of the game in terms of technicalities, lighting, cameras.
And Zeel here has asked you that is SRK cooperative giving the shots?
Very. He's one of those actors. He's known to be that. He surrenders totally to a photographer or a technician. He doesn't go change the light, change the angle. He just lets the stylist do her job or his job. He lets the photographer do his job. He's not one of those interfering types, at least in my sphere, because it's fantastic. Nothing from him. He cooperates. I mean, you can make him do the silliest of things and he'll do it. He doesn't question you actually.
यार कभी कुछ उन्होंने बोला नहीं कि नहीं अविनाश मुझे थोड़ा ऐसा शॉट चाहिए या ऐसी स्टाइलिंग होनी चाहिए? कभी शाहरुख का खुद का होता नहीं है, लाइक ओपिनियन वो देते नहीं है कुछ किसी
देता है. He does his own thing. He has a tremendous sense of styling, sensibility. But he does not interfere. I was shooting him for some ad, and they gave him a I thought, not a good outfit at all.
Okay.
So I asked him, I don't think he's looking good. You shouldn't do. I mean, let's change. So he said, no, yeah, now don't get into a discussion, because you will say something, then that stylist will come and tell me something, then the client will say this is good. So we'll waste a lot of time in that. Instead, let's just do the shot and finish it. So he's that kind of a person who, beyond the point, doesn't get involved. He just he trusts the people he works with.
And also आपने शाहरुख और गौरी के साथ भी एक कमर्शियल शूट किया था, तो उसके बारे में कुछ मेमोरीज हैं या उस दिन जब आपने शूट किया था कुछ पर्टिकुलर? बिकॉज गौरी के साथ जब उन्होंने शूट,
It was great to see him and Gauri together. It was like for me that day she was the heroine of the shot for D-Decor. So it was great fun. The chemistry was great. And I must say that Gauri overruled him in everything. That's one place where he was not at all in control. We were doing whatever she wanted. We were taking the angles she was more comfortable with. We were choosing locations. I thought that was very sweet. Such a big star, but he had totally surrendered to whatever Gauri was saying.
यहाँ पे मुझे बहुत सारे पिक्चर्स जो हैं वो शाहरुख के दिख रहे हैं. Which is your best shot जो अब तक आपने शाहरुख का क्लिक किया, according to you? Personal favorite आपका?
One shot, personal favorite, it's difficult, but I love the shots which are done with him bare body for Happy New Year. I think I loved it. Those bare body shots when he had made that body during Happy New Year, those which we did, I think were fantastic. I had enjoyed those. But I personally love this Chennai Express shot. It's got tremendous energy. I love it.
Okay.
So
This one,
great.
and that's Om Shanti Om's picture.
I will now leave this. I'll leave it to the man who made one of Shah Rukh's finest films. So I'm lucky we are lucky you came in the day I was shooting.
Why don't Avinash, why don't you ask first question? क्या कहेंगे, like शाहरुख खान के साथ आपने पहले जो करण जौहर की 2 फिल्में असिस्ट की थी उसमें भी शाहरुख खान थे, and then your first debut film was with Shahrukh. So how is Shahrukh Khan as a person?
Is that he is selfless when it comes to giving a shot or being part of a film, in the sense that I think उसका ये है कि he knows he is so good कि I should make sure that everybody else is as good as I am. Only then the film will become better. So he will take part in कि वो क्या कर रहा है, अच्छा ये कर रहा है, अच्छा वो क्या, अच्छा अरे उसका कॉस्ट्यूम ठीक नहीं, बट शाहरुख बट तेरा कॉस्ट्यूम, मेरा कॉस्ट्यूम ठीक है, डोंट वरी अबाउट माय कॉस्ट्यूम.
Just tell us कि आपकी जो फर्स्ट मीटिंग हुई थी शाहरुख खान से, वो एक्सपीरियंस कैसा था और कुछ
मुझे
आपको याद है?
बिल्कुल याद है, क्योंकि हम लोग गए थे. शाहरुख उस टाइम पे एक कार्टर रोड पे एक बिल्डिंग था अमृत, वहाँ पे रहते थे. बट करण एंड आई वेंट टू नरेट द फर्स्ट हाफ ऑफ कुछ होता है टू शाहरुख एंड काजोल. एंड आई रिमेंबर काजोल थी वहाँ पे, शाहरुख थी वहाँ पे, शाहरुख था वहाँ पे. एंड हम लोग ने नरेट किया. और काजल इतनी रोने, वो शी वॉज क्राइंग सो मच इन द नरेशन कि शाहरुख को लगा कि उसको कुछ होने वाला है। वो उसको संभालो प्लीज, क्योंकि वो उसको लगा कि ये लड़की को किसी हॉस्पिटल में लेके जाना। शी वाज जस्ट क्राइंग, वो इतनी रो रही थी एंड आई लुक्ड एट द टू ऑफ देम एंड आई फेल्ट दैट द केमिस्ट्री दैट बोथ ऑफ देम हैव, यू नो, इफ वी कैन गेट 50% ऑफ दैट ऑन स्क्रीन, then we are at सोने पे सुहागा, and we are very lucky because they know each other so well, शाहरुख एंड काजल।
ओके एंड लाइक जब आपने अपनी पहली फिल्म शूट किया था उनके साथ, तो उस वक्त कैसे शाहरुख ने कैसे हाँ बोला था ये बताओ, और आप उस वक्त के नरेशन की कोई स्टोरी अगर आप बता सको।
मैं शाहरुख ने कलोना सुनाई नहीं, नरेट मैंने किया नहीं। Actually, the reason I became a director is because Shahrukh Khan went and told Yash Johar, जो करण के father थे, कि he will work in Dharma Productions, next film only if Nikhil directs it. So that was a very big thing for me, and Karan wrote Kalona. He gave me a bound script and he said, okay, now you know, if this is the film that you want to make, go and meet Shahrukh. और शाहरुख उस टाइम पे चलते का शूटिंग कर रहा था मैं स्टूडियो में। I went and met him and he sat next to me and he read the first page, he read the interval page, he read the last page and he said, okay, I'm ready.
Thank you so much for coming and talking to us. Okay guys, so that was Avinash Govarkar and Nikhil Advani, and I hope you guys have enjoyed this Beam. Thank you for watching, thank you for liking it.